our business on the low. I'm just trying to get you out the friend zone, 'cause you look even better than the photos. I can't find your house, send me the info. Driving through the gated residential, found out I was coming, sent your friends home. Keep on trying to hide it, but your friends know. I only call you when it's half-past, but the only time that I be by your side. I only love it when you touch me, now feel me when I'm fucked up. That's a real me when I'm fucked up. That's a real me, yeah. I only call you when it's half-past, but the only time I'd ever call you mine. I only love it when you touch me, now feel me when I'm fucked up. That's a real me when I'm fucked up. That's a real me, babe.
On my mind. Real said get him, so I got him. Tripping with the pavement, then I accidentally shot him. Then it ricocheted and killed the game. I'm a problem, 'cause I wanna fuck the world, but not a fan of using condoms. Hard in my French, I'm going hard as my dick. When I envision my tips from the crust of bitch lips. Mr. Lip Shits has been tripping since I met your Reptar. Triceratops dinosaur dick. I feel it in my gut. To kill these motherfuckers is a must, like the arm of my pits. Niggas coming shorter than a Bushwick Billy costume on sale during Christmas in Philly. Well, not really, it's getting kinda chilly. Let's hit a couple bars and get some bitches wet willies. So getting jiggy with it, and Bel Air's riches. With a bag of pills, couple berries, and a biscuit. Trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on